So if I look at the SINUMERIK One in comparison to some of its predecessors, the 840D solution line and its predecessor, the power line, the design of SINUMERIK One was really to be a digitally native CNC. So on the real side, or the real CNC controller, all three platforms, the power line, the solution line, and now the SINUMERIK One, all very powerful CNC controllers, can control multi-axis, high productivity, high quality parts. But if I look at why the SINUMERIK One was created, is really to look at the virtual CNC. The virtual CNC allows the machine builder or the machine user to look at different business models, such as on the machine building side of having a digital twin of their machine, and in this case, they can allow to their end customers, they can sell a digital model of their machine and a digital model of the, or a digital twin of the CNC. And prior to even selling the machine, they can work out all of the negotiations between what the machine's capabilities are. Once the machine user has this virtual machine, this digital twin of the SINUMERIK One, they can now look at job preparation, they can do training, and they can look at safety features such as collision avoidance and detection while the machine is actually running, and do this completely offline. So for a machine builder, I think that the digitally native control, especially on the virtual side, allows for the machine builder to get away from a more sequential design into a parallel design of the machine. So in years past, many machine builders would have each department sequentially look at building the machine up. So it would start in mechanical engineering, then go to electrical, then go to controls engineering. The machine is now built, they've only got 2 weeks to ship the machine. They run into mechanical clearances, they might run into electrical design issues, or maybe even some software issues. Now with the digitally native control and the virtual twin, we can now take the parallel engineering concept, reduce the time to market, and a lot of these engineering checks and balances are done again in this parallel type of engineering phase, and it's really decreased the time to market for machine builders. So with automation and the capability to add automation to the SINUMERIK family, or SINUMERIK One, for example, is with TIA Portal would be number one, the integration of the S7-1500 PLC and its full capabilities, integrating the rest of the automation platform that Siemens offers through factory automation and general motion control for conveyors or pick and place gantries, things like this. An additional aspect would be RunMyRobot, which is an extension software package for SINUMERIK and SINUMERIK One, which now allows a SINUMERIK controller to add the capability for adding a robot. Maybe it's a handling robot to load and unload the robot, or do second processing like deburring or something along those lines. So with the complete full product offering of TIA and totally integrated automation, and with some of the high-end features we have with RunMyRobot, we have a full portfolio and suite to offer machine builders and end customers the next wave of generation into automation. So with Track, it's been a very good partnership from day one. The relationship that we have built up over the last 12 to 18 months, especially during a pandemic with COVID and COVID-19, what it's allowed Track to do is to use the benefits of SINUMERIK One and this parallel engineering concept to really shorten the time of market by getting their new VMC and turning centers to market much faster than they've been able to do with previous lines in the past. So the partnership from beginning with Track has been really the meat of this story. So one, the management buy-in from Track to go all in with SINUMERIK One and to build their strategy around digitalization and to build their strategy around automation has been the key to, one, their strategy and to drive this new product line to market. Going back to the partnership, getting their buy-in from day one to allow us to partner together for us to understand the autonomous market, for them to understand this high-end technology and apply this to allow them to get into the production side of the job shop has been a great learning experience for both sides.